Hi there. Looks like we now know who's in the new KillTeam box alongside the Eldari Corsairs. New Chaos Marines. And there's a nice little video on the Warhammer Community article which showcases the models, although I'm sure you'll probably find it on YouTube as well. But the new models, holy cramoles. Now, I used to play Chaos way back in the day, and so they will always have a soft spot in my heart. Yes, I do even have a heart. I like the trophy on this guy's backpack. I like how there's a skull inside the helmet. That is really, really cool. That's a nice little detail in there. I like the guy wielding the axe in the back. That guy's really cool looking. These models look really cool. I'm not usually one to gush over Chaos models, but buddy on the left looks like Bane. He's Bane. You merely adopted the darkness. Oh, guy's got a minigun. Love it. Yeah, I'm all in for the. Oh my gosh, this guy's got psychic energy, something going on. Ooh, I even like how they did a little green glint off his armor to represent that the light sourcing off his armor. That's really cool. That's a nice touch. I don't know if I've ever really noticed that off of a lot of Games Workshop models from the heavy metal team when they are painting up these things and being observant of such ideas. But yeah, that's really cool. That's a nice little touch. I like that. I approve. Daddy likey. What do you guys think? New Chaos, KillTeam. My God, people, are we living in some fantastic times right now? I suspect we are. Train. This is all stuff that was pretty well established in the catalog. But yeah, KillTeam, Chaos versus Eldari Corsairs. My God, it's awesomeness. I'm so excited.